You also want one, Tyler? You know what it is? It's a cookie. And there's chocolate on top. Right, yeah, careful. That's right, take a big bite. Look at Mama and take a big bite. Would you like one also? Okay.
What do you think, Giddy?
It's good?
It's good?
Let's see what Tyler thinks in a minute. These kind of got smushed in my suitcase.
Mommy,
What, sweetie?
I love you.
I love you too, honey. Woo!
Come guys, come sit down.
What do you think, Giddy?
Real good.
What?
Good.
Good?
I thought you said real good a second ago.
That's the thing.
Real good.
Where's the cookie?
Abba.
In Abba? No,
And Mama.
I think it's in your belly.
No,
Yeah.
and Mama.
I think you ate the cookie.
Where's the cookie? I didn't know that.
And
Whoa!
Mama.
Ah! Giddy? Can you please leave my Can you leave my hand, please? Oh, ah! Ah, ow. Ah, there we go. Rescued by Susie. Where's the cookie?
Oh, no.
Look what Mama's got in her hand. Help us get there.
Lop it.
No, thank you.
Oh my goodness. Monkey see, monkey do. Oh my goodness. It's a good thing they haven't taken a bath yet. Good thing they haven't taken a bath yet.
This is a messy dessert, huh?
Not when it's really cold and they eat it gingerly.
Are you gonna eat that, or should I take it in my hand?
No.
In my hand? Okay.